So it's a new day and today we will be having our Pilates class at the light. I'm with Debbie and Chad today. We will be having a girls' day. So yeah, come with us. Guys, late coming guys! As usual. We're here at Kisa. Pink and white. Hi guys, so we're here at SK Complex and we're gonna eat dinner, so yeah! Hi. Hello. Thanks for the treat! Welcome! Hi guys, so today is a new day and today we are here at Lavender. Me and my brother are waiting for our food here and then my mommy kay sa grocery. So yeah! Hi guys, so today is a new day and we're here at Sama. We will be having a shoot day with Liu Aesthetics. So come with me and I'm with Anjay today. Hi! Love, hi. Hi. Hi vlog. My gosh, we're done eating guys. And now we're going to the room because nawala akong phone so I need to find it. Hi guys, so we're done with our shoot and that's a wrap. Bought this. Sige na may lipstick guys. So, blush na po. So, we got the goods. Let's go. So, I just got his plain. Because he loves plain. Hi guys, today we will be having an afternoon picnic with friends and yeah, come with me. I got my driver's license. 1, 2, 3, go. Kalawit. Kalawit. Hi guys, so it's our 5th anniversary, so come with us! And by the way, we're going to Samal, so let's go! Come and celebrate our anniversary with us! We're here now, Chema's Medicine, and it was a quick boat ride, like 5 minutes lang. So far, nice ang dagat here. So, yeah. So pretty, guys.
Light.
Pretty. Ah, so effort naman. One, the letter, pero secret ang letter. Let's open it. So, yung color ni Curious ko. Oh my god! White lagi ni. White lagi pa rin.
On size 9.
Guys, so pretty guys. Like, it's what I want. Try it.
Kana yung bukang bibib, guys.
Boko kayo. Now it's his turn.
It's time for opening kanisang bugat. Kanisang gaan.
Ikaw bala.
Bugat. Close eyes ko. Nag-close eyes ko, guys.
Basic lang ano eh.
Saan eh? Uy! Napoy balo sa sulod.
Saan ba eh?
Ah!
Saan eh?
Lagi nga na marami. Kani, letter. Ay! Wow! Wow! Another outfit, guys. Kaning gaan na po.
Ikaw sir, gumagamit di mo.
Uy! Uy!
Hindi ko support Ana, pero wala akong choice. Nag-expect na siya. Nag-expect na ka, oy, kabalok. Nag-expect na ka, oy.
Thank you.
Guys, nagpasa na may letters, guys.
Yawan, yoy. Kitagi ko sana sa template sa ano ba? Sa TikTok na template. Actually, parang kanimo doon ta akong gayawon. Kanimo na akong gayawon. O, nakapunta siya nagitaon.
Pero kaon man ako na bala.
Ganun.
Picture. Kaon man na bala.
Bawi na yun niya yung picture.
So, yun muna, guys. Bye!
Photoshoot mo na siya, guys.
Hi guys, so it's photo shoot time. Ma-stress na naman si Andre. Ha! So yeah, let's take a photo. Let's go!
Yo!
Hi guys, so we're done with our photo shoot. Now
Yeah.
it's time to eat lunch. Kaya na-stress na si Andre. Pitos na po ako. We're gonna go home now guys and gubot kay cook hair. Time to go home because it's Mother's Day. Na-timing dyan ang mga anniversary Mother's Day guys. Last year po kay pagkaugma Mother's Day. So yeah, bye guys. Hi guys, so today's another day and I'll be going to Makeup Lane PH to do a photo up there. And yeah, magpagupit din si Andre, so comment up! Hi guys, so we're done filming at Makeup Lane and guys, gitagan ko nila aning so cute!
2 o'clock pa daw ang meeting.
Andre got me there because it's my reward for my 10 push-ups sa swimming pool ha.
Din ano? Sige, isa kasi solkatin mo lang.
Hey Steph! Hi guys, so today is a new day and we'll be going to Mano Cafe to meet my friend because mag-journal kami doon and yeah. Sadly, hindi ako naka-pilates today kaya wala si Debbie and medyo alanganin na like on the spot ko mag-book. And I'm with Andre today. Himala guys, dili mi LDR. Himala! Himala! Hi guys, so we're here now. Let's go! Ay, mas cute yan. Nabudol. Bye guys, we're gonna go home now. Touching the elbow. Hi guys, so we're here at Aesthetics. I'll be getting my dio and laser and I'm with Andre, my supportive boyfriend slash assistant. Hi guys. Hi. We're here now. Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, so nagpa-lighting si Doc. Wow. We're here now. Guys, lamigyan niya siya guys. And he's ordered two. What did you order?
Sesame latte.
Yeah, so yummy. Akin din guys, pero nag-add ako ng sweetener kay tabang na kaayo. Yeah, sweet tooth di ako.